A new tag feature has been added to the OnlyTG Echo admin console. You can now add multiple custom tags to contacts in your contact list, allowing you to quickly distinguish or precisely filter target contacts by different characteristics, greatly improving your operational efficiency. So how do you tag your contacts? First, assess the OnlyTG console. You can access it by clicking Open App in OnlyTG Echo or directly enter app.onlytg.io in your browser. Once inside, click Contacts in the left menu, and you will see a new tags column in the contact list. Simply click the plus icon here to tag this contact. Enter a tag, such as T1, then press Enter to create a new tag. You can repeat this step to add multiple tags to one contact. If you want to use the existing tags, you don't need to enter them again. Just select them from the drop-down menu. If you find tagging contacts one by one too slow, you can click the bulk tagging button in the top right corner to tag them in batches. After clicking, enter one or more new tags here, or directly check existing tags below. Then select Contacts by ticking the checkboxes in the contact list. Finally, click Confirm to finish bulk tagging. When you need to remove tags from the contact, simply click the X icon on the tags. After tagging, you can also quickly filter contacts by these tags. Click the search icon in the top right corner, select tags in the tags field, then click Confirm. The list will now only show contacts with those tags. In addition, the tag feature can also be used for broadcasts. When you reach the step of selecting target contacts, click the search icon in the top right corner, select Tags, and click Confirm to precisely filter specific target contacts. This will save you a great deal of time and effort. We are developing more features to help boost your operational efficiency. Follow us for the latest updates.